one.
Come.
Okay, so what are you doing?
I'm apple picking.
Okay.
It's a rainy day, but it's not too much rain, so we're still gonna enjoy some apples.
Are you enjoying it?
I am enjoying it.
No, pick the bigger ones.
Hello guys, we are back to the orchard of Bates family and we have some great people here to interview. Assalamu alaikum. What's your name?
My name's Armagon. And I have a YouTube channel. You should check it out. It's called Armagon Gill.
Woohoo! Make sure to subscribe to his YouTube channel. And what's your name?
My name is Jihen Gill. I really know how to do. I really help my dad so much in the yard, and I really do really good stuff with him.
Woohoo! Shout out for Zayan.
Why he's here today? Ask him.
And why you are here, Zayan?
For apple picking.
Why you are here, Zayan?
Apple picking.
Do
Woohoo!
you like apple picking?
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you pick some apples so far? Ask him.
Yes.
Ask him. Oh my God, you are terrible in doing interview. Am I gonna put all of this in the video?
Just hold on. Let's ask Ayan first, and then we will go back to them. And what's your name?
Ayan, and I got a Nintendo Switch, and I have Super Minecraft,
Okay.
Super Mario Rabbit, Super Mario Odyssey, and basketball.
Woohoo! Ayan, are you enjoying it?
Yes, and I am going to go in the airplane in 10 days.
Woohoo! Ayan is going on the airplane.
And when I always go helping apple picking, today I just got like all the red apples.
Woohoo! He got all the red apples today. Okay, so make sure to subscribe.
Go.
About the apple picking, the apple picking, I've picked a lot of apples. So, I've picked like this very kind of huge apple. At my school, I saw this teacher with a really big apple, and I'm pretty sure this is like a medium size from her apple, something like that.
And
Yeah.
how many apples did you get so far?
I'm not sure. 2, 4, 6. I only have like 6 apples.
6 apples? And
Yeah.
are you going to pick more?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure yet what kind then.
And
Yeah.
which side are you gonna start?
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna start from the first Ambrosia place.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ambrosia place? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, sounds good. Alright, good. Very good. Okay, do it. Good. You want to show it? Yeah.
This is a nice red apple.
Yeah,
And this
very
one is
good,
also
very
red.
good.
Nice.
Okay.
Ayano?
Ayan, did you get some
Oh,
apples?
show me your apple. Ayan? Show me the apple.
Wow, nice. Very good. Okay, sit.
Whenever one time we went all the way there and then we thought this is the apple picking. That's not. So like we turned around, went here, and then we start,
This is the right
and then
now.
we started all the apples, and then we found all big apples.
Oh, good, good. Okay, come, let's pick some apples now.
Yeah!